Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the absolute value and the inequality. So now I will show you how to answer. Question number 1. We have the cubic root of negative 27. If we calculate about this one, you got about negative number 3. But the absolute value is greater than negative number because everything number in here they provide about the positive number, while this one is about negative number. So that means we can set that on the value of s are accepted, because if we put positive or negative number in here, they always provide the positive number. The positive number is greater than or equal to number 0, and number 0 is greater than negative number 3. That's why that we can accept on the value of s in here. Question number 2. We have the formula. The absolute value of a is smaller than or equals to b. So we will have about negative b is smaller than or equal to a, and a is smaller than or equals to b. So we need to combine two inequalities in here. So negative b, that's about negative number 2. B, that's about number 2. A, that's about this one. Now, we put positive number 3 for the both side. This one you got about number 1. This one you got about number 5. This one you got about 0. Now, if we put the square root for the both sides, you got about 2 solutions. The first one, that's about 1 is smaller than or equal to s, and this one is smaller than or equals to the square root of number 5. And negative number 1 is greater than or equal to s, and this one is greater than or equal to negative with the square root of number 5. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.